From February 6 to 11, we are celebrating 1 week, 1 lab program with several events every day. As mentioned by the director in his welcome speech, Honorable Minister of Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh emphasized that each of 37 CSI laboratories is unique and specialized in diverse area of research and development. To showcase and propagate such diversity across society, Honorable Minister announced the idea of 1 week, 1 lab to be nationwide theme-based campaign to showcase the technological breakthroughs and innovations in the CSIR labs. We at CSIR National Institute of Oceanography are celebrating this week to connect with our stakeholders like students, startups, industries, and society at large. CSIR NIO has been in the forefront of marine science and technology in India for last several decades. Considering our expertise, experience, and wide opportunities available at the ocean front, we are organizing a meet with potential entrepreneurs and students to share our experience and explore the possibilities of collaboration and business opportunities in addressing the challenges in the field of marine science and technology. Today is a very special day for us as we are meeting potential entrepreneurs and startups from Goa in this auditorium.
It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all in this 1 week, 1 lab program. As it is already has been discussed many times, this whole program is a brainchild of Dr. Jitendra Singh, our Union Minister of Science and Technology, and he believes that we also believe that many of our innovation or science which we have done in all 37 laboratories are not reaching to the masses, not reaching to the entrepreneur, it is not reaching to the industrialist. So I think we have to provide the region-based problem solution, the scientific solution which will be utilized for the different stakeholders. We need to collaborate with the industry, we need to collaborate with the different states to understand their problem and to let them know what type of science we have done, what type of technology we have developed, and which can be utilized for the our development of India, making the India self-reliant or making the things in India using our technology.
We are very happy that we are touching the field of marine science and technology. Marine science in Goa will have a lot of problems. Marine science overall has a lot of problems. And problem solving ideas are the guys who come up and get known as startups. We have plastics, we have additives, we have pharmaceuticals, we have so many things which are mixed around, which actually disturbs the whole ecosystem of the marine life. We have a lot of awareness campaigns in the year to create this awareness about keeping the ecology and the marine life proper. Unfortunately, we have not been able to come up with ideas. We have small problems ranging from the sea coastline, which we talk about as far as Goa is concerned. We have bigger problems which are called as the tar balls, if I talk about it, which come and are spread across the coastline, not only in Goa, but along the Maharashtra and other coastal belts. The emerging tar which comes in forms of tar balls is the biggest disaster to marine life. And if I put it across to you today, that what can be the solution? Because as government, we start looking at our Goa State Pollution Control Board, we start looking at the Environment Department to come and act upon it. In Goa, the Goa State Pollution Control Board has been given the mandate. The oil, if it's coming from the Bombay High or from where it is coming or spill in the mid seas, is still a question mark. But from the 70s and 80s, which this oil has been coming out, I think the riverbed or the seabed already might be having a lot of disastrous elements already there. And in addition to that, the tar balls coming on the coastline is not only hazardous but also very dangerous. So these are small things which as a startup can start thinking about, because we believe that India has a great talent pool. The problem is we need to find solutions to it. And as a startup culture, as we are talking about service, commerce, manufacturing, many hubs to touch upon, this is something which is very close to all of us. And I think these 6 days of brainstorming sessions will give a lot of solutions to the challenges in the field of marine science and technology. I take this opportunity.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.